Hi, folks. Springtime here. Um, the Hobbit house behind me here. I'm just going to show you some of the things I've been working on. Uh, Catch up a little bit. Here we go. Okay, here's something. Pardon my rooster if he starts squawking while we're out here. He's pretty noisy. Small but noisy. In fact, let's just have a look at him. There he is. He's a little guy. Real pretty. They've been wintering over here in the little mobile coop that I had made in the past episode. Things are getting pretty warm, and as you can see, growing. There's the refrigerator beds. They need to be painted, and I need to paint them this year. Um, I can move those chickens around pretty soon. But this is what I've been working on here, is a stump fence. Now it's an old school thing that they used to do pioneer days when they would clear the land, and they'd have a bunch of stumps, and then they would put them together, and they'd make a fence for livestock to keep them in. Now, this isn't for livestock, really. This is just mainly for visual. I did have a fence there at one point for sheep. You can see remnants of it up there, a split rail fence that I made out of railroad ties, old railroad ties. But I don't have sheep down here anymore, so I don't have sheep at all anymore. But I did want to keep this fence here because I like this little spot. I like the little ledge here. And got some lilacs on the other side and some bulbs and stuff. But you can see the basic idea. This little locust tree here I cut off because I didn't want it to get too high. So it'll spread out lower. And this will be the opening that I can use to go up to my computer shed up there. But you can see I turned the stumps upside down. These are all locust stumps that I had taken out of the woods. Some of the trees that I had used for the past tree houses and stuff. And then just locust branches on top of them. So that's what you come out with. Give you another look on the side here. These are some lilacs here and some bulbs. So it's not a very long fence, maybe 50, 60 feet long. But it's something I wanted to do, and I had the stumps, and I figured I might as well use them before they all rot away. So some I turned upside down, some I laid on their sides. And I think it makes a nice, funky, artistic fence. And all these stumps are extremely interesting when you get close to them. They've got like rocks growing into the stump, and just really cool shapes to them. I see a lot of images inside the stumps a lot of times. Like, what's that there? Oh my goodness, right there. It looks like a bird of some sort. You see it, right? The beak right there. I don't know. So that's one of the things I've been working on. Let's go check out the greenhouse, see how far I've gotten on that. We're up at the barnyard now. Brewski's watching his post. Brewski! Hey, come here. Hi. You're a celebrity. Okay. Got some chickens over there. We finally finished the whole roof there. I can't remember where we left off at the last video, but I don't think we had finished the roof. Springtime, nothing has leaves yet, but you can see the green starting. That's all invasive honeysuckle. It's amazing. That's the first thing that comes up. See it everywhere. But here's the greenhouse project. Okay, so we've got, I think I showed the front here. These are all piles of saw, like boards that I'm going to be using. That's last year's. That's the year before, what's left. That's the year before that, what's left. And you can see this is last year's also all stacked up in here. So we finished the roof here. We finished the little cupola on top with the slats that can open up so let the heat come out in the summertime. We'll see how that works. And then the inside part here, we have a bit of a junk pile at the moment. These bags are full of chicken manure. I'm going to put them in the garden soon. But this pile of pine and some hardwood and locust and stuff, that's what I had sawed up last fall. And then this is where it's going to go eventually when it's, I'll take the stickers out. See, I've got stickers in between each layer so it dries. Once it's dried, then I can move it over to here. This is just a pile of wood that I was using to finish the front here. So we've got this 16-foot space in here for drying. Sun comes in nice here. And we've got some doors back there that open. Oh, I got them blocked at the bottom. Okay, well they open up. And then we got this door here. We got this door here to the greenhouse. These are all repurposed, reused doors. And then we have the inside of the greenhouse here. I just have to do a little bit of cleaning up of some of this extra wood here. I'll chop that all up. Well, what I can use, I'll save, but all this stuff I'll cut up into kindling. These are all strips. But I finished the beds here, so we got a nice wide 5-foot bed here, 2 feet deep. Goes the whole length here. I can use that for planting. That could also be for trees because it's got a lot of space here. This back lean wall here will be covered at some point, probably fenced over, and I'll have chickens eventually back in there during the winter time. But that'll be a future project. I'm going to insulate eventually on the walls and on the ceiling. But I've got this whole setup here. This bed here is all ready to go for this spring. I'll plant that very soon. Maybe today. It's on the list. Some good light in here. It's still early. It's like about 9 o'clock right now. And that's looking back towards the end there. So this is great. This will be my greenhouse. Finally finished it. And I still, like I said, I have to button it up with a little bird there. Button it up with insulation and stuff. Those are those doors that I couldn't open before. So they're double. It breaks in the center and they're louvered. This will be, if I need to get my skid steer in there, I can dig out that whole back if it's full of chicken poop and stuff. This will all be gone too. This was just my workbench for building the thing. And then Terry got a new little building there that she calls her she shed. Let's take a look at that. She got this little Amish building. They come and they bring it on these skids. It's pretty cool watching them drop that off. They just slide it right off. She's got storage in there and a little space in there. So she's got a little space now for her stuff. And spring is starting. Treehouse is pretty soon. We'll be online for the summer season. I've been taking some saunas lately, which is way back that way down by the pond. That's pretty much it. Springtime here, full of optimism, ready to do all sorts of projects. I got some more land, another spot that I've been itching to build some more interesting buildings, and I'll do some videos of that this year. Nothing's happened there yet. Just purchased it recently, and it's a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.